Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's talk about metals today because they were clearly the big story of the day. Now, they have been quite a story because they've just been working their way up and up and up and up and up to all-time highs on gold futures yesterday. This one is gold on a daily time frame. It's currently trading in the month of April 2026 contract. And today it just completely fell off the whole world. I mean, look at this, 779 points on the range out of an ATR of only 193. That is absolutely bananas. I mean, I thought yesterday was pretty crazy, but today, oh my gosh. So we did work our way down almost like halfway from, this turning line, standard line area down toward that daily cloud. Did catch ourselves a little bit, bounced up from there, but like in the grand scheme of things today, it wasn't a lot of recovery. Let's compare that to silver. Also had just a significant sell-off today, busted through the turning line, standard line, flipped that parabolic SAR, worked its way even closer to that daily cloud, and had a little bit of support from here, just about sort of where it ended, bounced up off of there. What we'll need to see with all of these going into next week is like, was this just a reversal Friday? And it's been going up, up, up. Okay, cool. And then like this just fell off the world on Friday. Will these guys reverse again next week? Or is this the beginning of just like even more crazy, crazy sell off? And we'll wrap this up with this one, platinum. In this case, I'm just laughing because in this case, it did go all the way down, touched that cloud. We didn't even make it to this level of support, hit that support at the cloud, bounced up off of there. 688 points out of 238 ATR. Now, I don't know about you, but one of the first things I saw upon waking up this morning was a notification from TradeStation that said, "Attention, futures clients. Due to market volatility, the reduced intraday rate for all metals has been disabled. Plus, index futures are now set to 25% of the exchange requirement." One of the best things to my mind about trader funding is that we don't have to deal with that. We don't need to worry about things like reduced margin or exchange requirements. Companies like Apex Trader Funding are allowing us to trade without having to worry about all of that stuff, which to my mind is a great benefit. Right now, this is 90% off. There's a link and coupon code down below. Plus, I wanted to let you know about this because Vicky's last Q&A call is going to be Sunday evening. Just make sure you register for that by entering your email address here, clicking register for the Q&A, and you'll learn more about her program. The next cohort does start Monday, February 2nd. That is this coming Monday, so you're going to want to be there. That is when the live trading room starts at 9:15 in the morning East Coast time. So the reason that these two things work really well together is that within her program, the Morning Method, one of the bonuses that she has is how to use the Morning Method specifically to pass your trader funding account on Apex. Now, she has done this multiple times. She has students that have done it multiple times. So she just has example after example after example of her system working. Now, that doesn't mean that you win every single trade, but even when they lose, those losses are controlled as opposed to the way that other losses can happen within our accounts. So links to everything you need are down below. See if it's going to be the next best step for you and your trading goals. Have a great weekend. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.